Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start now, charge above 10% and unlock the Redmi. Open Settings, go to Sound and Vibration, then System Sounds. This is where Xiaomi groups recording beeps. Once you find Record Sound or Voice Recording toggle, turn it off. This disables the shutter-like beep for built-in recorder. I explain why. The toggle controls system audio feedback, so disabling it stops the beep without affecting recording quality. Make sure to perform this in the main settings, not just the app, for a persistent change. Next, open the Recorder app and go straight into its internal settings. Some Redmi builds add an app-level sound toggle. You might see app sound, beep on start, or microphone feedback. Turn those off. If you don't see them, make sure the app has microphone permission enabled and notifications allowance, then revisit settings. Oddly, notification channel controls sometimes expose the beep toggle. Once done, restart the recorder so new preferences apply, and confirm with a short test recording to verify silence. Finish by rebooting the phone to ensure system changes apply, then make a quick test recording to confirm the sound is gone. If the beep persists, check accessibility right arrow sound improvements or touch feedback. Some ROMs route beeps through those settings, so disable relevant options. If nothing works, use a reputable third-party recorder that doesn't emit a start beep, or update MIUI to the latest build, which often fixes system sound bugs. One tip: clear recorder app cache if behavior remains stubborn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.